Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to withdraw money from your Acorns account. First, it's crucial to have a verified checking account already linked to your Acorns profile, as this is where your funds will be sent. Once that's confirmed, simply log into your Acorns account, either through the convenient mobile app or by visiting the website. From your main dashboard, you'll want to head over to the Invest section to get started. Once you are in the Invest section, look for the Transfer Out or Withdraw option. This is your gateway to accessing your funds. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the exact dollar amount you want to withdraw. Be sure this amount does not exceed your available balance. After specifying the amount, select the linked bank account where you'd like your money to be transferred. Then, review all the details carefully before proceeding. After you confirm your withdrawal request, Acorns will sell your shares. If you submit your request before 11 a.m. Pacific Time on a market open day, this sell order is usually processed the same day. Following the sale, there's a mandatory 2-day settlement period due to federal regulations. After these steps, your funds typically take about 3 to 6 business days to be fully reflected in your linked bank account. Patience is key during this process. Before finalizing your withdrawal, consider a few important points. Firstly, withdrawing money, especially if you've made a profit, can have tax implications, so it's wise to consult a tax professional. Secondly, if the market is down, withdrawing could mean you're locking in losses, preventing your investments from recovering. Lastly, while Acorns generally does not charge a direct withdrawal fee for most accounts, your bank might have its own fees, and underlying ETF expense ratios still apply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.